susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
In Philippine cinema, 4 multi-awarded actors, a national artist, a drama king, Asia's drama superstar, and a star for all seasons. Throughout the 40 years of the Star Wars for movies, they shared 23 acting trophies between them, from their equally milestone movies that have made history in Philippine cinema. That's why it is my pride and honor to announce and give tribute to our Dekada awardees. National Artist, Nora Honor. And Mr. Christopher De Leon.
Presenting the trophy with a PNPC, our PNPC President Romel Bacanato, with past presidents, Fernando Guzman, Rolando Castro, Melba Lionel, Julie Bonifacio, and Ronan Gonzalez. Together with Figurina Samantha Acosta and Jack Leonardo, lead marketing of Playtime, to present the cash prize from Playtime.